Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to crochet this beautiful granny square skirt that you see on your screen. Okay, so if this is your first time seeing my video, thank you very much for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't get missed out on any of my amazing tutorials. So this is where I started on this tutorial, but I already have tutorial for the square granny square and the triangle one. Okay, so since I can't link two videos to this, so I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can go watch them. If you don't know how to do either of them, then come back and continue with us. So this is just something that we're going to be repeating. So as you can see, I just connected my yarn on the tapestry needle. I just connected it and I'm going stitch by stitch, connecting the two together. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch because I don't really know what I'm going to be saying in this, because it's just a simple repetition that we're going to be going on and on. So please just watch your screen and enjoy the tutorial. So guys, this is how I did my connection. 5 granny squares for each row, and I made a total of 9 rows. I used a total of 65 granny squares. The square ones just 63, and the triangle granny squares, which serve as half for the waist, because waist is always smaller than the hip. Okay, it's just 2, so in total 65 granny squares. So right now I'm going to make a slip knot, not magic circle, slip knot, and connect my yarn right here. Then I'm going to make a chain that is long enough to be the strap that is going to connect to the end, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so it could be 250, it could be 200, depending on how you want. So just make yours the way you want. For me, I made 250. Okay, so I'm done with mine. I'm going to add one more chain, which is not going to count as a chain actually. So skip one chain and go over to the second chain and make a single crochet. I'll continue making the single crochet until I get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm done making my single crochet on the chain stitches. I'll go ahead and make single crochet on all the stitches that I have, but I'll meet you at the other side of the waist so that we can make our chains together. I'm here at the other side of the waist, and this is what my work looks like. So I'm going to make the exact same chain amount of chain that I made at the other side. I have a tail, an unwanted tail to hide, so that shouldn't bother you. I'll fix it myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the exact amount of chain that I made at the other side of the waist. Then I'll chain one and make my single crochet back. Then I'll continue with my single crochet all around until I get back to where we started off from. Okay, so I'll meet you when I'm done with mine to show you what to do next. So I'm here at the end of the row. I made my single crochet after the single crochet on the chains. I made single crochet in all the spaces that I have. At this part where I have large spaces, I made 2 single crochets in each of the large spaces. For the middle, I just made a decrease, single crochet decrease, so that I won't have a very large gap here. Right on this side, I made 1 single crochet on top of all the stitches that I have, and in the middle, the connections, I made single crochet decrease in the middle so that I won't leave a large space. I continued until I went round on the down parts all the way back to where we started from. Okay, so my yarn is almost finished. Okay, so I just made a slip stitch on these parts and chain 1, tighten, chain 1 again, tighten. So just pull the yarn out since my yarn have finished, but if your yarn is too much, you can just use your scissors to cut it. So we're going to proceed to tidying up our work. So grab the scissors and cut off any unwanted tails that you see. Okay, cut them off, and then go over to connecting the strap to the body of your work. So just fix yours the way you want, depending on how much gap you want to leave open. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. I am really excited that you stayed to this time. Please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't get missed out on any of my amazing tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.